Listen and practice English.
Why are you looking at your phone and smiling?
I found an old photo of us.
Really? Show me.
Look at our hair in this picture.
Oh, wow, my hair looks so funny.
Mine looks funny too.
We looked very different.
Yes, but we looked very happy.
This was our first trip together.
Yes, I remember it.
We got lost many times.
That is true.
And you did not ask anyone for help.
I thought I knew the way.
But you were wrong.
Yes, I was.
We had a lot of fun on that trip.
Yes, it was a great trip.
We should go on another trip soon.
That is a good idea.
We can take new photos.
Yes, and this time we will not get lost.
I hope so.
Me too.
Wow, your phone camera is really good.
Thank you. I bought this phone last month.
The pictures look so clear and bright.
Yes, I use it for photos all the time.
My phone camera is very old now.
Are you thinking about buying a new one?
Maybe next month after I save some money.
This model is good and not too expensive.
Does the battery last long?
Yes, I charge it only once a day.
That sounds perfect for traveling.
It is. I used it during my vacation last week.
Did you take many pictures there?
Hundreds of pictures, especially at the beach.
Now I really want a better phone too.
You should check the electronics store nearby.
Good idea. Maybe they have discounts this weekend.
I hope you find a great deal. Good afternoon. I need to send this package today.
Good afternoon. Sure, where are you sending it?
I am sending it to my cousin in another city.
Okay. Do you want regular shipping or express shipping?
Which one is faster?
Express shipping will arrive in 1 day, but it costs more.
I think regular shipping is fine.
No problem. Please place the package on the counter.
Here you go.
Thank you. Did you write the address clearly?
Yes, I checked it twice before coming here.
Great. Everything looks correct.
Do I need to buy stamps for the package?
No, the shipping price already includes the stamps.
That is good. How much is the total?
The total cost is $5.
Okay, I will pay with my card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your package should arrive in 3 days.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, young man. Can you help me cross the road?
Of course, ma'am. Please walk slowly.
Thank you. The traffic looks very busy today.
Yes, many cars are passing right now.
I cannot walk very fast anymore.
That is okay. Take your time. These vegetable bags look heavy. Can I hold them for you?
Oh, thank you. They are hurting my hands.
Let me carry them until we cross the road.
You are very kind to help me.
No problem. I am happy to help.
I bought potatoes, tomatoes, and carrots today.
The market must have been crowded this morning.
Yes, there were many people there.
Please be careful. The road is still busy.
I feel safer walking with you.
We're almost across now.
Thank you so much for helping me and carrying my bags.
You are welcome, ma'am. Please stay safe.
May God bless you, young man.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.